What if your software could test itself faster than your team can write the code? Today's QA processes are slowing innovation. Manual test creation, constant script maintenance, and late-stage defects delay releases, increase costs, and strain engineering teams. Even traditional automation still depends on human oversight and breaks as applications evolve. Aimfire from CEI changes that. It's CEI's agentic automation testing solution using AI agents to generate, execute, and continuously adapt tests across your entire delivery lifecycle. First, Aimfire creates test cases automatically from user stories, screenshots, or requirements. Then, it runs those tests continuously in your CI/CD pipeline, analyzing results and uncovering edge cases. And as your applications change, it adapts, updating tests automatically without manual intervention. The result is faster releases, higher quality, and significantly less manual effort. Organizations see up to 2 to 3 times greater test coverage and fewer defects reaching production, while reducing QA costs and accelerating delivery. Aimfire, autonomous QA built for enterprise speed and scale.